Have you ever wondered what the pulse of innovation looks like? Have you ever been curious about how the leading minds in technology make decisions that shape our future? Today, we'll dive into one such unfolding narrative at the heart of the electric vehicle revolution. Tesla's recent activities in Shanghai. Tesla, the well-known electric car maker, is facing a new challenge at its Shanghai plant, the company's largest and most productive. But what's happening exactly? Bloomberg News has reported layoffs in the battery production sector of the factory. How many workers will be affected? What are the specific reasons behind these layoffs? The truth at this moment remains unclear. Hello and welcome back to Innovative Check YouTube channel, where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. Please subscribe, like, and comment to boost our videos. Now, let's begin. According to local online news portal Deep Analysis, fewer than 1,000 workers were employed on the factory's 2 battery production lines. With Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai employing around 20,000 workers, the impact of these layoffs on the entire workforce may seem minimal. But is it really just a small change, or does it signify something more substantial, perhaps automation or changes in production strategies? On another front, Tesla is making waves in the world's largest electric vehicle market, China. Have you heard of Tesla's new offer for new buyers? The company announced a cash bonus equivalent to almost $500 for those with a referral from an existing owner. It's a move that takes the competitive dynamics of the Chinese EV market to a new level. But is it just a sales tactic or a strategic initiative aimed at solidifying Tesla's position in China? Only time will tell. Additionally, new buyers will enjoy free access to Tesla's enhanced autopilot driver assistance system for 90 days. What does this mean for Tesla's standing in the Chinese market, and how will competitors respond? Tesla's decision to lay off workers in Shanghai isn't as straightforward as it might appear. Some of the impacted employees have been given the option to transfer to other departments such as stamping, painting, or general assembly. How will these shifts affect the overall workflow and efficiency of the plant? It's worth noting that Tesla relies on batteries made by LG Energy Solutions and contemporary Amperex technology, but must build these materials into battery modules and packs before installation. Could the decision to reduce human labor in the battery workshop be part of a broader plan? Inside sources suggest that automation equipment could soon replace human labor on the battery production line. Despite the changes and challenges, Tesla's Shanghai factory has not lost its momentum. Did you know that deliveries from Shanghai rose nearly 20% year-over-year in June? However, Tesla's operating margin has shrunk to 11.4% in the first quarter of 2023, a 2-year low. Why is this happening, especially following the company's decision to discount its vehicles in January and March? Are there external factors at play, or is this a calculated move by Tesla? What's really behind the layoffs at Tesla's Shanghai plant? It's a question that's on everyone's mind. Some speculate that automation is the driving force, as equipment is in the design and construction phase to replace human labor. But is technology the only factor here, or are there other dynamics at play? The Shanghai factory has a capacity to produce 1 million electric vehicles per year, accounting for over half of Tesla's global output. Even with such large numbers, why the decision to let go of workers now? Could it be related to the decline in operating margins or a shift in production strategies? Have you ever wondered how batteries are made ready for electric vehicles? The process is more complex than it seems. While Tesla uses batteries manufactured by LG Energy Solution and CATE, the automaker builds these materials into battery modules and packs before they can be installed. This happens in Tesla's battery workshop. Recent reports suggest some automation equipment could replace human labor on the battery production line. What impact will this have on the overall production quality and speed? Will it lead to a more efficient production line, or are there risks involved? The Chinese market is unique and challenging. Tesla is reportedly laying off workers amid heavy discounts on cars from all manufacturers. But what's causing this shift in pricing strategy? Some believe the layoffs are partly due to the U.S. government's ban on subsidies for batteries imported from China. Is this the real reason, Or are there additional factors such as the surplus battery assembly capacity at Tesla's Shanghai plant? What's the latest on Tesla's performance in China? Tesla sold 93,680 China-made vehicles in June the 2nd, highest on record after 100,291 in November 2022. The Model I in particular is making waves as the best-selling sub in China for certain periods. But what does this mean for the overall landscape of China's new energy vehicle market? How does Tesla compare to other leading brands like BYD, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto? What's behind Tesla's strong sales, and what challenges do they face in maintaining this momentum? In a unique and unprecedented move, 16 car companies, including Tesla and other major players, signed a pledge to maintain order and fair competition in China's auto market. Why this pledge, and why now? What are the implications for market dynamics, pricing strategies, and consumer choices? This shared commitment not to disrupt competition with abnormal prices is a statement in itself. But will it lead to a more stable and consumer-friendly market? How will the industry and regulators respond to this self-imposed regulation? How does a massive plant like Tesla's Shanghai facility manage its production capacity? With the ability to provide 3,400 batteries between day and night shifts, there seems to be more than enough capacity for vehicle production. Is this surplus in battery assembly a contributing factor to the layoffs? What does this mean for Tesla's future production plans in China? Could it be that the technology is advancing so quickly that human workers are becoming less essential on certain production lines? Is this a glimpse into the future of manufacturing? Not just for Tesla, but for the industry at large. Interestingly, vehicle manufacturing-related jobs have not been affected by the layoffs yet. Tesla's vehicle sales remain strong, with notable achievements such as Model E retail sales in China being the best-selling SUV in China for some months. How has Tesla managed to maintain this balance between cutting costs and maintaining quality? Will the balance hold, or are there challenges ahead that we need to be mindful of? Is it just business dynamics driving Tesla's decisions, or are there larger geopolitical forces at play? Some reports suggest that the layoffs are partly due to the U.S. government's ban on subsidies for batteries imported from China. How does this policy intersect with Tesla's operations? What are the broader implications for China relations in the global automotive industry? The situation at Tesla's Shanghai plant raises questions that resonate beyond the company. What happens when technology advances to the point where human labor becomes replaceable? Are we approaching a turning point in the way manufacturing industries operate? Some of the employees affected by the layoffs have been given the option to transfer to other departments, such as stamping, painting, or general assembly. Is this a sustainable solution? Or is it merely a temporary fix? What do these changes mean for the workforce, both at Tesla and in the broader manufacturing world? Did you know that Tesla's Shanghai plant exported 35,187 vehicles in May? What are the dynamics driving Tesla's export strategy? How do local consumption and global demand intersect to shape the company's decisions in China? With changes in production, what can we expect from Tesla's export numbers in the coming months? The recent pledge signed by 16 car companies in Shanghai, including Tesla, to jointly maintain order in China's auto market is a signal of changing times. What prompted this collective action? Is this an indication of a maturing market or a response to specific challenges faced by these companies? How will this collaborative approach influence future relationships among competitors? Could this be the beginning of a new era of cooperation and fair play in the industry? If this story intrigues you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring